Hi, my name is Dr. Jason Kejon. I am from Birla Ayurveda. Today I am discussing about treatment Nassim. This is one of the Panchakarma. It is very effective in all ENT, especially for uh, migraine, sinusitis, facial paralysis. But it is mainly indicated for all ENT disorders, means above clavicle region, any disease causing above clavicle region, it is indicated. Normally, the procedure we are doing for 30 to 40 minutes generally. We are using according to the condition of patients. Sometimes we are using anudailam, or sometimes we are using Shidabala, sometimes we are using medicated powders, or sometimes we are using medicated juice. So, accordingly, the condition of patient, we can decide the dose and oil or juice what is required for this treatment. Mainly normal we are using another in all cases. For mainly we are doing Nassim for facial paralysis and paralysis patient, migraine patient, sinusitis patient. This procedure means installing medicines or medicated oil or medicated juice or medicated powder through both nostrils. It will eliminate all doshas, especially kapha dosha. It will clear all the channel and it clear the sinus. Mainly, the Nassim will do. It will reduce mucus from our sinus. So it clear the sinus and clear the passage. So it will very helpful for heaviness, means reducing heaviness in the head, and it will helps to easy breathe, and then breathing congestion and headache, like that things. So it is very effective for all these kind. Accordingly we can which patients need which oil or which medicine, like that we can decide accordingly the condition. The mainly Nassim is useful for like these conditions: facial paralysis, uh, migraine, hair fall, autoimmune disorders like alopecia, and sometimes we can use in just for detoxification, like that procedure also we can use this one, because it is also one panchakarma. So it's help very nicely to body to maintain the dosha balance. So it will reduce kapha dosha. The best time for doing Nassim is early morning or evening. That is the main time for doing Nassim. Comparatively, both time, early morning is very effective. And the procedure, it time it will take 30 to 40 minutes. This procedure means first we apply oil to face and just massage over the sinus area, and after that we will install oil or what is the thing required, means juice or medical powder, like the things. After that, uh, after the massage, just we will give steam just for snehana swedana. After that we will install the main medicine, oil or juice. After that, if patients required, we can give Dhumavarti also. This procedure is very helpful for what all ENT disorders, especially in the case of migraine, sinusitis, and facial paralysis, like that thing. For further details, you can contact our website www.birlaayurveda.com. Thank you.